What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here, coming at you with another first look of a bus that's actually been public for a while, but I never realized it was. Anyway, I am talking about this 1997 Bluebird GMC made by ThatRORGuy, who owns Allied Gaming. So, I actually wasn't aware that this bus was, public until yesterday, but I've had this bus for a while, but I guess I never made a video with it. So, not a bad looking bus. It reminds me a lot of the ACX. So, it's got that little stepping thing right there. I might have driven this bus maybe once, so don't recall anything, though. I really like this hood. It's looking pretty snazzy. Okay, let's get into the bus. Alright, pretty basic dash. Oh, there's an attempt of something down there. Let's look at that. Nothing too fancy. But see some sort of bullying sign, I guess. Yep. If you guys are wearing headphones, you might be able to tell that the sound kind of like rotates around. So right now, for me, it's on my right ear, middle, left ear. I don't know, that might just be me or the bus. Might be the bus, but nice first aid kit. Video camera in use, watch your step. Liking this kind of like steel plate. Steps right here, nice addition of the fire extinguisher. Chair looks pretty cool. Alright, let's check. Oh, looks like I have my end lights on. Speaking of lights. Okay, so this bus is based off of the ACX. No doubt about it. But I also like that crossing gate. How it has a Bluebird logo on it. I wonder if these things light up. If you could get those things, those clearance lights to light up with the end lights on, that'd be pretty cool. But liking it, I really am. Looks pretty snazzy to me. Let's go ahead and take a screenshot for the video. There it goes. Okay, let's go ahead and drive this thing. Whoa, looks like I killed it. Let's see, what did I do? Oh. Come on. Okay, let's take a little ride. Since it is based on the ACX, I kind of already know what it's going to be like, but, you know. Sounds aren't my favorite, but oh, I like that Georgia license plate. It's pretty legit. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just, I don't even know. Let's see. First impressions, not a bad mod of the bus. Gotta hand it to him. Made it look pretty nice. I'm liking all the features he put on it. Let's see. I think it's a pretty solid start. This is a public beta at the Allied Gaming website, so you have to be a member of the Allied Gaming site in order to get this mod. So no, I will not give a direct download link, but I will give a link if you are a member. So, yeah. So let me know what you guys think about this bus. Like I said, I think it's a pretty solid start for the bus. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you want to subscribe to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, over here. I don't know where they put it. I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or you'll be as tired as I am right now. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.